Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the start button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. This is the battery saver icon, and if you want to enable the power saving mode, you need to tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. You can tell by the screen getting a lot dimmer. Also, the icon will be highlighted. Basically, it will have a color now. And if you close the menu, you will see that the watch is, or maybe not the watch, but the screen of the watch is a lot dimmer. And probably some functions won't work, like phone disconnected from our watch. So basically, if you had a watch connected with your phone, it will disconnect. And other functions might not work as well when the power saving mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you can simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, and the mode will be disabled. As you can see, it reconnected to our phone. The screen got a lot brighter. And basically that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.